and close our side seams. All we have to do is put them together, right sides facing. Simple as. Quickest little video clip ever. So put a pin at the beginning of your seam and at the end of your seam, maybe one in between, but you don't really need to overpin this at all. Just make sure you catch all your layers here. Nice and smooth. That's it. Don't need very much more here. It's lovely soft fabric actually. There we go, same on the other side. And we're ready to go over to the sewing machine, and we have again 1 centimeter seam allowance. Let's go. There we are. Lock in your stitches. Line up the edge of the fabric with a line on the sewing machine, which shows you that 3/4 inch or 1 centimeter. Hold down the pocket with the tip of the pin so that it doesn't fold over. There we go, all the way up. Super simple, right? You could, of course, with thicker material also overlock the sides first and then sew them together, then overlock them. Here I've overlocked it together, and now we're going to iron the seam allowances towards the back. Seam allowances are always ironed towards the back. Go. Nice and smooth. Beautiful. And if you can't get in because it's too small, you can just put them on flat and do it as well. And that's it. We've done our side seams and we are ready for the next bit.